Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Suboxy Creative Minds. And about today's video, it's about making of this beautiful geode theme table. It's a customized table. It's with beautiful blue shades and gold as per my client's requirement. Hope you all love the making, so enjoy the video. So let us start. As you can see, I am using fire pits. Fire pits I got it from Art Addict and from Abhay Gambhir. This geode table is about 3 by 2 in size. And as you can see, I have already done a gesso coat, 2 coats of gesso on the table. I am doing it on rubber wood. And before pouring resin, I am making sure to place my fire pits and crystals on the placement which I decide to. So after placing the crystals and fire pits, I am drizzling resin on it. You can see I am not pouring it into a lot as I didn't want it to mess it up, over floating of resin. So this is a tip wherein you can cover your edges with the glue. Using the glue gun. You can cover the tiny minute sort of edges where you can't put any rocks or any sort of crystals. And now coming up with the next stage of pouring, I am using gold color pigment from Boreali. I'll be pouring from the corner of my crystals, and it's always best to mark and sketch on your guiding lines, especially when it comes for the geode art. So as you can see, I have already marked the lines for particular spaces which I would be requiring the particular color, and I have named also, as this will be very helpful. I am pouring gold on the side of the circle shaped crystals which I have attached on the side of it in the same procedure as I did before. So I'm adding in resin 2 shades of blue color glitters. As you can see, I have already marked the portions which I need to be guided for the particular color. This makes the resin art, geode art, very easy for us to work with. As you can see, I have drawn the lines and given the directions of particular colors. Like I will be working with the gold and then the lighter color and then the darker color of the blues, followed with the glitter lines. Since I didn't want it to mess up with all the lines, I divided my work into 4 days. As you can see, I'm pouring glitter right now. The glitter mixed resin on the guided line. And after this cures, the next day I'll be continuing with the other colors like light blue and dark blue. In this way, I'll be helping my work to not mix up. The lines will not be mixing up. In simple way, I can say we can control the lines and get the desired results. Working on second day, pouring dark blue color followed by light blue and then gold. We'll be doing the same on the circle shaped geode crystals in the same procedure. Now after second coat of clear resin, I am drawing lines with acrylic pen on desired surface. To enhance the gold lines of the pen, I am using gold pigments mixed with the medium. To know the pigment mixing procedure, you can go my Kinzuki Look platter making. The link will be given in the description below as well as in I button. So now after finishing little bit of sanding, our geode piece is ready for the flood coat. Here I am using a heat gun to remove the edges and drips of resin. You can see how easily I am blowing the heat gun and as well as using the knife to scrape up the extras, the drips. Please make sure to keep a separate knife for this resin work. So finally we are here with our final piece. Hope you enjoyed the making as much as I did. Thank you for watching and do go with the end screen recommended videos. Subscribe and support my channel. Thank you.